I've got this beautiful blonde and I'm going to lighten up her dark roots. Let's get this going. All right, guys, this is where you are going to have a perfect foil and always have that foil and blonde hair right to the scalp. Can you tilt down just a little bit? All right, you're gonna over direct the hair and then pull it back on the foil and slowly remove your comb. So now your hair is right at the root. I'm gonna add a little bit of heat because honestly, it was kind of cold in the salon today. So a little bit of heat is just gonna pop her over to the bright side. All right, the foils are complete. I'm gonna let her process. And this is the last one that I did. So it needs a little more time and love. And this is, let's check out the first one of the first ones we did. My model. She's so great moving down like that. All right, so we're gonna let these sit, not too long. All right, we're gonna start removing these foils. What I like to do is I like to take the foil and I like to rub the lightener down to the ends and let that sit while I take out all the other foils as well. I always top off my blondes with some purple shampoo. All right, guys, she is all rinsed out. All her foils have been taken out, and now we are going to dry her, and her blonde is going to pop. All right, guys, she is all blow dried and styled, and she is a blondie. Guys, here is the blondie, and this is her after. We did 106 foils on her. All right, I'm gonna slowly turn. Yeah, beautiful. A little more, a little more. Oh, she got her fancy mask on. Beautiful. Turning. Yes, girl, show off that hair. Woohoo! So that is 106 foils on her dark roots, and we've got her nice and blonde. And then I use the purple shampoo by Fanola to shampoo and rinse her, and didn't even need to tone. Perfection.